બધા મજામાં છો ને? ઘણા વખતથી આપણે ઓનલાઈન ભણીએ છીએ. આજે જે વાત કરવાની છે તે છે અલગ અલગ પ્રકારના પ્રાણીઓની. એઝ વી નો, each and every animal has some speciality. તો આજે આપણે જોવાનું છે કયા પ્રાણીની શું વિશેષતા છે. ધોરણ 6 યુનિટ 2, A Ship Can Walk, Activity 2. So let's start.
First of all, we'll talk about hippopotamus. The weight of hippopotamus is about 1500 kilograms to 1800 kilograms for male hippopotamus, and female hippopotamus weight about 1300 kilograms to 1500 kilograms. Apart from this heavy body, it can run about 48 kilometers per hour. It is faster than a normal man can run. Everyone knows about how a camel can survive without drinking water for weeks. Actually, it can live about 15 to 20 days without water whenever it goes to desert environments. Believe it or not, this little animal, a kangaroo rat, can last longer without drinking water than any other. They go their whole lives about 3 to 5 years without drinking water. So, we can say that a kangaroo rat can last longer without water than a camel. Now, this is the Siberian tiger. The Siberian tiger is the largest cat in the world. It weighs up to 300 kilograms and it can eat 27.2 kilograms of meat at one meal time. You can see the size of this tiger. The man beside it looks very tiny, so it is the largest cat in the world. This is a crocodile. Crocodile cannot move its tongue and can't chew. Whenever crocodile eats anything, it cannot chew it. It only swallows the food. This is an ant. There are many species of ants in this world. Scientists have described over 12,000 ant species. According to researchers, the ant can lift 50 times its own weight. These are dolphins. Dolphins are very much friendly mammal, and it is also the fastest mammal on the earth. Dolphin can swim up to 56 kilometers per hour. This is a giraffe. It has a very long tongue. It is about 21 inches long. A giraffe can clean its ears with its long tongue. So, how do you feel? અલગ અલગ પ્રાણીઓની વિશેષતાઓ જાણીને મજા આવી ને બધાને? Now this is the time for homework. તમને જે પ્રાણી ગમતું હોય તેની કોઈ વિશેષતા તમારે લખવાની છે અને સાથે તેનું ચિત્ર પણ દોરવાનું છે.